ZabE here today with another ZabE Rocks. Today we're going to make spa pockets. We got the idea from the Hot Pockets because the kids love them so much. I thought, well, maybe if I go with a spa pocket, it'll work out. So it did. It does pretty well. So here's what we've done. We've taken our jean pockets that we've just cut off a pair of jeans, get at the thrift store, pretty inexpensive, and then we've stuffed them with Mother's Day spa materials. So they turn out pretty cute. There's a finished product. Did a nice job on that one. What we have in here are, well, first we made bath salts, which I will share that recipe with you. And then here they are. I had them right on the Ziploc bag to Mom, love from whoever, so we could know who they were when we went to use them. And then we also made some lip gloss, and I'll share that recipe with you too. It's simple, 3-ingredient mix and pour, and it turns out pretty well. And we got little containers with lids so Mom can keep it for a while. We have them in pink and blue. And then to fill it up with, we put in a nail file, a headband, a bandana, keep your hair out, a face mask, a peel and pull off, and a washcloth, which we folded like a fan so it has a nice presentation to it. So you just fold them and voila, you end up with that. And we tied a little ribbon around them. That seemed to look well. And then we put the headbands around the face mask. And then if we run out of pockets, you can use anything. A bag would work. And we had all these little purses around that someone had donated to me. So we've also done them with these little purses, which turned out really well. And I found a purpose for those because I really didn't know what I was going to do with them. So all in all, Mother's Day spa pockets ready to go. I think all moms will be happy with this Mother's Day gift. All right, everyone. I hope you like this project. Please give me a like, a subscribe, and a share. Awesome. Bye.